Only 25 minutes, no jumping, just pure strength. Train anywhere, build real power. Start today. Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share this channel. Try this workout for 25 minutes daily. Stay consistent and you'll see great results. Ready to transform your body in just 25 minutes? No jumping, just strength. This is a full body dumbbell workout you can do anywhere. Start with a quick warm-up, loosen your joints and wake up your muscles. Hold the dumbbell close, sit back into your squat, chest up, drive through your heels. Hinge at your hips, feel the stretch in your hamstrings, keep your back flat. Press up strong, control the weight down, keep your wrists aligned.
Pull the weights toward your waist. Squeeze your back, no swinging.
Press overhead, stay tall, don't arch your lower back.
Step back into your lunge, keep your front knee stable, control every rep.
Curl with control, squeeze at the top, no swinging.
Lower behind your head, extend fully, keep your elbows close. Twist side to side, engage your core, stay controlled. Hold strong, keep your body in a straight line, don't let your hips drop. Slow it down, stretch your muscles, let your body recover. You showed up today, and that's what matters. Stay consistent, stay strong. Follow me by subscribing to the channel for more workouts, and let's build strength together.